What is the healthiest breakfast meal to eat on a daily basis? Well, variety is the spice of life, and there is no such thing as a nutritionally perfect breakfast. We ideally want to have a few go-to breakfasts that we can put on rotation to ensure that we're getting a wide variety of nutrients in our week. But the most important component of a healthy breakfast, in my opinion, is protein. We know that having a protein-rich breakfast helps to keep blood sugars and energy stable, it reduces our hunger hormones, and supports a healthy metabolism and weight. So some great breakfast sources include eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, and protein powder. With protein as our focus, we also want to build out a balanced breakfast that is both satiating and satisfying. So including a source of fiber-rich carbs and healthy fats can help. This could be Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, a protein shake with some peanut butter and fruit, or eggs with avocado and toast. The healthiest diet is a varied diet, so focus on protein and switch it up as often as you can.